We're going to show you the real travel life. We are Mariah and me. We traveled in Naranjito. Is this SUV? We are going to take you through our day, part 2.
We're in this rainforest town and we just finished doing some work at the library and now we are hungry. But because we have no food, because yesterday was a public holiday, we're going to have to buy lunch, which we don't really like to do because it's expensive. Anyway, that's what we're doing. We got excited. Shopping, Mum's Mother's Day gift. Markets. Now that is a backpack we can all get around. If that fit my laptop in it, I'd be buying it. This town is super cute. It is in the rainforest. This shop is a vibe. Has a fountain. Just a cheeky drive through the jungle. And these signs terrify me. We're on lunch break from work. Barren Falls Lookout. Canopy walk. Beautiful. Butterfly is amazing. Come back. Look at that. Now this is a good lunch break. Extended lunch break. Butterfly. Look at this butterfly. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my lord. Hola. And our afternoon working from the library. We now have to go get food because we literally have nothing. But we are sick of rice and chicken and pasta, so we're gonna lash out, maybe get some lentils. What do you reckon?
Yeah, but you can't eat that.
Oh yeah, I can't eat certain foods because I've got to get a 24-hour urine test. Anyway, long story, I'll explain that in a couple of days. Excuse me, there seems to be something fell in our basket.
I know, Mark. Why you put that thing there? Who put that?